Welcome back. Okay, today's number 28 from More You Give, More You Receive. So what I'm doing is, by the way, I'm Cryptophile. Thank you for watching. I am investing in so many crypto projects. Sometimes I'm making money and a lot of times I'm losing money, especially in the last couple of weeks. So what I'm doing is I'm using my crypto earnings, and thank you for everybody who donating, and I'm giving away to help poor people as much as I can. I was helping Philippines, still helping, India, and now in Africa. This time we going in Ethiopia. Thank you so much for the person who is doing the video, and the video is coming after a couple of minutes, after like 1 minute. So spend 5 minutes of your time, 5 minutes of your time to watch this video. It's mean a lot. Okay, see how the people live. Okay, so this guy did amazing job. Okay, they bought so much food and they just give to the poor people on the street. They meet the poor people and they give them a food. Maybe it's not going to make a big change, but at least we can feed at least, I don't know, 10, 15, 20 people out there. And believe me, it's mean a lot for that people. Think again what you have in your life and appreciate for what you have. Spend some time with your friends and family. Okay, be happy for where you are, because a lot of people dreaming for what you have. And the quote of today is, you are never too old to keep dreaming and to set up new goals. My new goal this time of the year is to go in India end of the year. And I need to work out my ass off to get there. Okay, enjoy the video. Thank you everybody. If you decide you want to donate, feel free. The address is in the description. Goodbye.